Hello, my XRP gang. It's been a crazy week for cryptos, and we are currently seeing some negative numbers on almost everything. I guess this was expected with everything that's been going on. In the highlights today, Elon Musk announced earlier this week that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin for its car purchases, citing great cost to the environment. I tell you guys, this is rich. And we're going to discuss later in this video today, Bitcoin is and has always been an energy hog, just like Brad Garlinghouse and the rest of his team at Ripple have been acknowledging. Note, this guy is not anti-Bitcoin, but he has for a long time been stating that Bitcoin mining and the proof-of-work protocols are not efficient. You can have cryptocurrencies that don't need that, and such cryptos actually exist. There is XRP. So in this video, I will share what Elon Musk had to say after the market reaction. The Bitcoin community went crazy as soon as this news dropped. Also, we will look at what Brad Garlinghouse had to say in response. Today, there is so much to talk about, so let's roll that beautiful intro and get right into it. As always, welcome back to Money Side, your favorite crypto news channel. If you are new here, welcome to the gang. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get informed whenever we post our daily crypto updates. Now back to today's hot news updates. According to theblockcrypto.com, Tesla CEO Elon Musk posted a tweet on Wednesday evening announcing that Tesla would suspend all their vehicle purchases using Bitcoin due to the concerns over the environmental impact of cryptocurrency. And if you look at the market, just when the news dropped, Bitcoin took a dip. In fact, the Bitcoin loss was 6% in an hour after Tesla dropped Bitcoin payments. This might just be a short sell-off, people reacting and responding emotionally to the news. While it may not matter in the long run, it's going to matter now in the short term, as people are definitely freaking out. But as we mentioned earlier, it's not Bitcoin alone that has been dropping. The entire market seems to be on a short crash. But if you've been in crypto long enough, you know such things happen all the time. Now, with that said, let's take you a little back to when it all started. When this news dropped back in February of this year, I was excited to see such leaps in the crypto world. It's fantastic to see money flowing from these institutions, publicly traded companies, and billionaires as it creates supply and demand. A few months later, April 27th to be precise, Tesla sells 10% of its Bitcoin holdings to prove cryptocurrency liquidity, while Elon Musk clarified that he didn't sell any of his personal Bitcoin holdings. The majority couldn't help but imagine that Elon did just that to pump and dump Bitcoin to make a fortune. Now here we are today. Tesla has completely dropped Bitcoin transactions. Let's take a look at that tweet that Elon put up on Wednesday evening. He created an image with all he wanted to share, and it reads, "Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We're concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this can come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to a more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transactions." And from the beginning, it didn't make sense for Tesla to build cars that are friendly to the environment, but then on the other hand, use Bitcoin for its transactions. It just didn't line up with the cause Tesla was working hard towards. It makes you wonder, did Elon just realize now that Bitcoin is an energy hog? I bet Tesla took time to do its homework before buying Bitcoin. So I don't really understand what's going on here. But hey, that last part where he says that Tesla is looking at other cryptocurrencies to integrate into Tesla transactions is the most interesting. Of course, Elon Musk has been a big fan of Dogecoin and might as well consider it, but maybe he could also look at XRP. All XRP has already been created, so there will never be any mining needed. That means XRP is much friendlier to the environment than Bitcoin. It would be nice if he did. So let's just wait and see what happens next. According to a tweet that @ToughMedia has put up, a recent report by Deseret.com shows the break of the kilowatt hours consumed per transaction as follows. A few years back, Bitcoin seemed like the invincible coin, but now it's under major threats from all corners. People are clearly not happy with the energy consumption that comes with it. So as much as Bitcoin is leading the market right now, its asset class in a utility world is not clear. That means even if Bitcoin is around longer, other cryptos that help solve the problems of the traditional systems better will likely overtake it. And XRP might soon overtake it if only more people realize its potential. If we look at what Brad Garlinghouse tweeted in response to Elon Musk's tweet, you can see what he has always been trying to tell us. He says, "Let's not overthink this. Few people have changed the world the way Elon Musk has. No doubt that Bitcoin is here to stay, but denying that there is a problem isn't a path to solving it. Whether it's through renewables or architectural changes, let's keep moving on the solution." Brad, Chris Larson, and their team have been on this message for a couple of years, and I don't know if people have been paying attention, but if they haven't, they really need to. Sadly, people have been pretending like proof of work is not an issue, and eventually, things will be all right. But unless we do something about it, it will continue to ruin the environment. I think it's time we give the green currencies a chance. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section below. Now let's take a quick look at the analysis of XRP. We're currently looking at the 4-hour time frame, and XRP is moving in a 60-day cycle. So we can drill down in our analysis and investigate the 30-day cycles to estimate the expected timing of breakout. We're currently in the 21st day of dominant 60-day, so we have about 8 days to finish the 30-day cycle. I'm expecting that between the 21st and 25th of May, we should see another round of money flowing into the market, which will push XRP to the upside above the triangle. In my other analysis on the 4-hour perspective, the price is moving in an ascending channel. The upper trend line of the channel is acting as resistance, and the lower trend line of the channel acting as support. And the price has formed potential double bottom formation. If the price continues to hold above the support, I expect the price to move higher. XRP has formed a nice bullish symmetrical triangle on the 12-hour time frame. This is very bullish in the sense that it has held the formation and just bounced off the 61.8% 5/0 retracement price zone 2 from the first impulse and retrace. From the second impulse and retrace to price zone 4, it has just bounced off of the 38.2% 5/0 retracement. Wait for confirmation of the breakout around price zone 4 and at a price target of $2.89. Trade safely, my friends. Please keep in mind, we're not a licensed financial advisor. All the videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comment section below, and let's have a conversation. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and to click on the subscribe button below. Turn on notifications so you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.